everyone, it's me Aqilah. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you guys? I hope you guys have an amazing day and a great holiday. So for today's video, I'm gonna talk about something new, which is a real life talk, but I'm still new in this. Please, jangan kecam, okay? So if you're still new here, go subscribe me now. And don't forget to turn on the notifications so you guys won't miss the new video. And follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and add me on Snapchat so we can play tricks. And do comment down below if you want a suggestion video or a request. You know what? Let's just get started with it. Okay, so I opened my Pinterest just now. And I found this on Pinterest. It's about how to make a decision quickly and easily. So I'm just gonna say and I'm just gonna talk, which is, by the end of the day, do you ever feel completely burned out from making decisions? That's me. Are there times when the thought of making another choice causes you stress? Kau dengar tu? You stress, girl! And that's me and you and everyone. You're not alone. I don't know, but this is really funny when you said you're not alone. Okay, let's continue. So there's a lot of steps and how to make a decision quickly and easily, because life decision is so ... Is it hard or whatever, okay, or the others, alright? Okay, so firstly, you have to avoid the analysis paralysis, which is set a time limit, because that will help you to think about it and do some research. Exactly. And it says in here, it helps the author, it says in here, the blogger. And then step number 2, you should ask for advice from other people, or from people who have, based on the experience. Because this person who made this blog, it says that she find a friend for an advice. It is particularly helpful when she overwhelmed by what should be a simple decision, but she went stressed. She says in here. I will give you guys the link if you guys didn't believe what I'm trying to say here, right? And she says in there, I'm dealing with several stressful situations at the same time. That's it. So, next step you should do, reflect on what you really want and set the budget. For example, you want to buy makeup, you want to buy skincare, you want to buy the clothes, you want to buy books. You have to do a contemplating, for example, she says in there. And you can create your parameters, like consider the size, the firmness, whether you want memory foam versus pillow top. I have no idea what she's saying right now, but I'm just gonna read. And then the next step, you should do a search for those specifications online and check out the reviews. This is a step where people always buy online stuff, right? And then you have to do something this is really common, which is go out and compare the stuff. That is so me. And then you just have to make the decision. If it's good, then you should buy. If it's not good, then don't buy. I don't know if it's helpful to you guys, but this is what I get from Pinterest, because it says in here, this is how to make a decision quickly and easily. But that's how it looks like. I'm gonna put the link in the description box, so if you guys don't understand what I'm trying to say, just guys can go to the Pinterest and just read it out by yourself. Okay, so I found another Pinterest, which is how to make better decision with 7 fearless steps. But this is are the 3 common problems with decision making skills, which is fear of missing. It's my bad. Fear of missing out, and number 2 is paradox of choice, that one, and number 3, decision paralysis. Okay, so how to make a good decision. Identify why you need to do decisions, that one. You start at a point where you have to make a decision. By the time you research and evaluate choices, hours, days, or even weeks might have passed by. It says in there. And then check for cognitive biases. Correct me if I say it wrong, the words. And then number 3, look for data to get multiply options. It says in there. And then number 4, consider the consequences of decision and indecision. That one. Indecision. And then delete the favorite choice mentally. Step number 6, check for contradicting facts. That one. And last but not least, seek opinion. It's kind of common with asking people for advices, like the opinions, like should I buy or what. So the conclusion is, turning into a good decision maker takes time. Like a bodybuilder needs time to grow his muscles and get shredded. Your brain needs time to learn, adapt, and apply the practice of good decision making. If you are expecting to be capable of making a great decision tomorrow by looking at this list, you are mistaken. Because learning to make good decision is like a marathon. The faster you try to run, the more exhausted you get, and chances are you may not even get to the destination. That's a good quote. So this is how to make a better decision with these 7 fearless steps. I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to say over here. I don't know, but my breast is tonight is a little bit hurt, but the deal, because I want to make this video juga. And also I'm gonna put the link in the description box, okay? Unless you guys don't understand me, what I'm trying to say here. What did I say? Okay, so yes. Okay, so last but not least, this is my own experience, based on my experience about how to make great decision, because life decision is so hard. For me, if I want something, and if I wanted to make a great decision, a good decision, a better decision, I have to compare the consequences and the bad side and the good side. Because at the end of the day, you will realize that you did something wrong and it's just horrible, like legitimately horrible, and I don't like it, and everyone doesn't like it. If you like it, means you have something wrong. Okay, so for me, for example, I still remember on last time. No, it's not really last time, but it was this year on which part was that? Our school. That time we have this kind of like flea market, if I'm not mistaken, and they got this like bakat. Not bakat. It's like a competition of San Francisco Convent Got Talent, and that time I was thinking, like, should I join or what? Because last year I already joined. But then last year I joined. It was a last minute decision, and it was good. It went great because of this. So was last year. I won the 2nd place, San Francisco Got Talent 2018, and for me, I went home early because I thought, maybe I don't have a chance to win. So I went home early because my dad comes early. So I was like, it's okay lah. It's just a bunch of, just enjoy my moment. And I didn't know that I win. And my friend texted me and she said, Aqilah, you got second place. And I was like, oh, wow, that's good. I mean, like, maybe it's just luck, maybe. But for me, last minute decision is really, sometimes it went cool, sometimes it went bad. So don't do last minute decision. And this one, it was this year and I got second place also. But then that time I was so ready. I was like, a week earlier maybe, if I'm not mistaken. I asked my friend, should I join? And my friend said, you join. You have to join. You have to, this is our last year already. And I was like, yeah, that makes sense also. So I was like, I practicing 1 week before the competition, and then it went good also, and I win again, second place. Maybe it's another luck, but I'm happy also at the same time. So yeah.
So I hope you guys enjoy for today's video. I hope you guys can understand what I'm trying to say here, even though it's hard for me to pronounce the words because my tongue got a little bit that one young braces at the back, so it's really hurts. But I'm such a stubborn. Braces sakit, ada hati nak buat video. So yes. So if you guys do like this video, make sure to give a huge thumbs up. Comment down below if you have a question, and don't worry, I put the link of the Pinterest in the description box. So if you don't understand what comes out of my mouth, so you just have to go look at it at the Pinterest. And then do follow me on Instagram and tweet on Twitter and add me on Snapchat if you want to play tricks with me. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoy. So good night then. Bye. Thanks for watching. Adios. Lost Tiger Vlog.